Learn to be a house cleaner. Hello, friends. I'm Usher, and today I'm excited to share with you the fantastic world of house cleaning. It's more interesting than you might think, so let's dive in. Imagine your home, your cozy bedroom, the living room where you play, and the kitchen where delicious meals are made. Now, think about how all these places stay clean. That's where a house cleaner, like me, comes in. House cleaners have a special role. We make sure everything is neat and tidy. We dust off shelves, vacuum the carpet, mop the floors, and make sure everything is germ-free and sparkling. You might wonder what it takes to be a great house cleaner. It's all about paying attention to the little details, managing your time well, and knowing the best ways to clean different things. I learned these skills through practice and some cool cleaning courses. Guess what? You can start learning these skills at home by helping out with chores. If you dream of becoming a house cleaner one day, you can begin by helping neighbors or family. Some house cleaners work with companies, and others start their own businesses. Now, you must be wondering about money. Well, house cleaners can earn a good income, especially when they have regular houses to clean. It depends on how many houses you clean and how big they are. House cleaning is not just a job, it's a way to help people live in a clean and happy environment. And who doesn't love a clean room, right? So, that's the exciting world of house cleaning. If you have a knack for keeping things tidy, this could be a super cool career for you. Thanks for joining me today, and keep exploring new things. Catch you later.